Hi you guys, and welcome to our channel. I actually forgot today was holiday, and you guys, today is Halloween, so happy Halloween, you guys. I'm not fond of Halloween at all, but since I have a 4-year-old now, I have to get into, let's say, costume, you guys. So instead of me running out spending money on a costume for myself or mom, I don't celebrate Halloween like that, and I guess when I was younger I didn't do it either. So since I got a son, like I said, I gotta play the cat character. So with that said, you guys, once I edit this vlog, it's probably gonna be the day after Halloween, so my apologies, you guys. But I hope you guys enjoy me putting on my cat face. It's just gonna be something simple, nothing major or dramatic or bougie, but it's just gonna be a normal me, me just pretty much drawing on my cat face. But yeah, this is, if you see me looking down a lot, I'm pretty much trying to trace this out. And then if I'm looking towards this way, there's a big mirror right here that I'm looking at, just trying to get everything together, because I definitely don't want to like kill my face, okay? And I definitely don't want to beat my face, okay? So, yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoy, and I'm going to be doing a little review on this hair. Someone sent me some hair, you guys, so I'm excited to share this hair with you guys, and probably not today because, like I said, it's holiday, and this is all about holiday. So, happy Halloween, you guys, for you that celebrate it, and for you that don't celebrate it, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Okay.
New hair, yep, feeling good. It's all about that mom life right now. So, yeah, we gotta keep it sexy. If you're a mom out there, take some time out and treat yourself. I know sometimes it's hard to forget. We gotta look on our planners and things, but take some time for yourself. Okay, so I'm everybody does. I feel like I got it, but I need more practice doing it. So yes, girl, you get it, mama. Hashtag mom life. Y'all better go out and treat yourself to a new wig. Go out and treat yourself to your nails and your toes done. Like, girl, if you a mama, even if you're not a mama, treat yourself. Yes. So I had a Too Faced cat eyes palette. Y'all know I'm silly. So I'm gonna go in on my face with the panther and then with the kitten. Those two. And I love this sparkly palette. Then I have the Urban Decay Vice. And this is really, 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 really pretty. This is like a pretty lip gloss. I love it. Then I have my e.l.f. eyeliner pencil or shadow thing or whatever. Then another shadow thing there, as you can see. And then I have a ColourPop eyeshadow. And this is in the Come and Get It. Come and get it, come and get it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And this is a pressed powder. And so I have Sephora eyeshadow. And this is just a purple. I don't know what it's called. And then I have like this primer, then these little double decker lashes to give me some type of volume in my lash, I guess. Mascara. And then I have this Dermatology for my lips. Keeps my lips soft at all times. And then I have the Stella eyeliner. And a heart for you guys because I love you. Thanks for being my subbies. And then, so now I'm going to go in with Panther on my nose because I'm going to draw a cat face. Yes, meow. So yeah, it's Halloween and you guys probably get this vlog maybe the day after. Just depends on how I edit it. Maybe the day after or maybe the day after that. I don't know. But I hope you guys get it on time and soon. But I decided to just go ahead and be a cat, normal cat. Simple little cat and draw my cat face on. So what I'm doing is just drawing the nose and going in with some of that Panther in the middle section. And it was much easier to do that with this eyeliner shadow pencil thing. So now I'm going in with Kitten and I want to just do like I wouldn't say glow, but a nice little shine to my nose, as you can tell. And then, y'all know I'm goofy and silly, so I'm doing the Panther on my whiskers as well. This does not have to be like perfect at all, you guys. It don't have to be perfect. So, yeah. Nothing's perfect. Because y'all see my mistake. I got one whisker up and one whisker down. And I'm still happy with it. And then, so I'm going to go in with Jungle Love to give it an extra sparkle on the outline of it. So I'm just kind of making tacky whiskers. But you can make whatever type of whiskers you want. I'm going in now with the Urban Decay Lippy. This is called Vice. And I really, really love this lippy from Urban Decay. If you guys are in Sephora or you order it online, make sure you get this brand because I think it's like a limited edition. So go ahead and get it. And it's not even expensive at all. So yeah. So now I'm going to use the Double Decker eyelash mascara on my eyelids. And I just want to kind of clean up and around the bottom of my eyes. You guys know I don't do eyelashes or anything like that, but I felt like I should do it, but that wasn't my place because this was Halloween and this was for Ashton, not for mommy. So I wasn't trying to overdo anything. But you guys, when it came to the cat eye thing on my eyes, I was like having a difficult, like hot mess of a time trying to get this stuff together.
And I was just like, forget it. If it don't look good, it just don't look good. So, like I said, I'm really not a Halloween type of person, but I had to do it for my 4-year-old son, and we had fun. We had a blast. If you see me looking off, I'm looking at the big mirror, so my apologies. Yes, girl. Yes, you did it. And so I think I may have put it on my eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm doing it right now. Just putting on my eyeshadow, which is the Come and Get It from ColourPop. And I am going thick on the eyeshadow because I want it to like pop my eye. And, well, not pop me in the eye, but like make my eyes pop. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. You can go thick, you can go however you want to go with your eyeshadow, but I love it thick because I want it to be like noticeable. So I'm using this palette that I have right here, and these are some pretty colors on this palette. So I'm just gonna go in with this pretty purple, sparkly purple. So I'm just gonna crease my eye with that. I don't know, I felt like my eye looked like it was a black eye sort of, because I put too much of the purple and it was going on too dark. So yeah. But practice makes perfect. And I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna get there. I promise you guys. Makeup will be done. I just didn't care for that right there. It looks too dark, like really tacky. And I could have done it so much better, but I was in a rush trying to get him dressed, and I was in a rush trying to get myself ready. But y'all know I'm a mama, so it is what it is. I had no complaints at the end of the night. Everybody's like pretty much complimenting me on my makeup and my cat face and everything. And I was just like excited. I thought I did a bad job, but apparently I didn't. Just let me know in the comments below what I should have done with the ends of my eyebrows or eyelashes or whatever I'm doing here. What would you have done to highlight your eyes? Because I feel like just putting this ColourPop Come and Get It powder eyeshadow on the top of that made it look a little bit better. So this is some new hair I'm rocking right here, you guys. I'm going to be doing a review on that pretty soon, so stay tuned. But I really love this hair. And yes, girl, it gave me life. Look at that. Life. She thinks she's something. Who that? So I'm going to make some cat ears. So what you're going to need is just 2 twisty ties. And I'm just playing around. I look kind of cute like that. If I had some glasses like that, I would rock them. That's really cute. Okay. So what you want to do is just put your hair in 2 ponytails. And I'm just spraying it with some Tresemme hairspray. Just so it can stay in place. And you can just leave it untightened or you can tighten it or whatever. But make sure you have those edges. I'm not going to say on fleek. But those edges looking good. So, yeah, I'm doing the Eco Black Castor Oil Flaxseed Styling Gel. I love this stuff. Like, I'm not going to swear because I don't do stuff like